Can you tell me a little bit about why you're here today?
Okay, we are here in solidarity with the Haitian and Haitian Dominican community in the Dominican Republic. There was a sentencing that took place by the Constitutional Tribunal in the Dominican Republic stating that folks who had been born in transit while their parents are in transit in the Dominican Republic are no longer Dominican, and that covers a time frame of about 85 years. So 4 generations of folks that are now de-nationalized in the Dominican Republic. That's what it means. And so as an immigrant, second generation immigrant myself, a daughter of Dominican immigrants in the United States, I know the struggle of immigrants and why they migrate, and it's definitely an absurd and insensitive, immoral law, and we're here to denounce it and stand in solidarity with the Haitian Dominican community.
What was the reason for the legislation?
There was a particular case where the human rights and civil rights of a woman named Juliana de Pierre went to the Constitutional Tribunal to make sure that her rights were being affirmed. And instead of being supported by the tribunal, she came out having this sentence be ruled by the tribunal. So she was asking for her civil rights to be reaffirmed and left that tribunal without any rights.
What kind of impact does this have on people in the Dominican Republic and on people here in the U.S. who are of Dominican/Haitian descent?
Well, the impact is that they will not have access to civil rights in the Dominican Republic. So if you were a child of a foreigner, right, who was born in the Dominican Republic, you're Dominican of Haitian descent, what this law does is that you can't not access civil rights. You don't have the right for anything, education, access to healthcare, access to anything according to this sentencing.
What do you hope to accomplish here today?
I think our biggest desire is to reach the Dominican and Dominican Haitian and just the immigrant movement as a whole, to make sure that this law is revisited and, well, the sentencing is revisited, and that we are able to reinstate what the human rights of immigrants of Haitian descent are in the Dominican Republic. I think we are in a good space where we, as people who live in the United States, know either by our own experience or the experience of our parents what immigration is like. We know that we don't migrate to a country just because we want to, but because there are economic and social needs and the desire to progress. And so we are hardworking people, and we want to be able to affirm the fact that Haitians who have migrated to the Dominican Republic are also hardworking people.